Salut les humains, c'est Madame Mia. Attention, ce que je vais vous montrer là, vous l'avez encore jamais vu. On connaissait le texte to vidéo, on connaissait l'image to vidéo, on avait eu des progrès énormes en termes de raccord entre ce que disait la personne et l'expression faciale. Mais là, on arrive à un point incroyable. On a une nouveauté là de la part d'Alibaba et vous allez voir que ce qui est exceptionnel, c'est le raccord entre l'expression faciale et ce qui se passe. Là maintenant, le nouveau format, c'est images et bande son transformées en vidéo. Je vais vous mettre le lien de cette page avec toutes les démos et les explications et puis on verra dans une prochaine vidéo peut-être aller un peu plus loin, mais là je voulais absolument vous montrer cette nouveauté de dingue. Je vais vous mettre là tout de suite les meilleures vidéos que j'ai trouvées. Mettez bien le son parce que c'est juste incroyable. Regardez l'expression faciale des personnages. Vous avez des personnages de fiction ou pas. Il y a la Joconde, il y a la femme qui a été dessinée par Sora, il y a Leonardo DiCaprio, il y a Audrey Hepburn. C'est juste dingue. Je vous laisse regarder tout de suite parce que ça mérite d'être juste regardé et écouté. C'est parti.
When I was a kid, I feel like you heard the term, don't cry. You don't need to cry. Crying is the most beautiful thing you can do. I encourage people to cry. I cry all the time, and I think it's the most healthy expression of how you're feeling, and I sometimes wish I just could have been told, you can cry. There's no shame in that. There's no shame in how you're feeling, and also you don't need to always be justifying it, because I think I was constantly trying to come up with reasons why rather than just being accepted for what it was.
An AA with an AK melee, finna set it like a play date, but a vacate retreat like a vacate mayday. This beat is cray cray Ray J, H-A-H-A-H-A. Laughing all the way to the bank, I spray flames I cannot tame or placate the monster. You get in my way, I'ma feed you to the monster. Normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster. When the moon shines like ice road truckers, I look like a villain out of those blockbusters. Godzilla, fire, monster, blood on the dance floor, on the Louis V carpet. Fire, Godzilla, fire, blood on the dance floor, on the Louis carpet. I'm just a product of cyclic and onyx till I'm licked the balls at him. Just appalled at so many things that pissed him off. It's impossible with a list them all. And in the midst of all this, I'm in a mental hospital with a crystal ball, trying to see will I still be like this tomorrow. But all voices whisper, my face is far back up against the wall, pencil drawn. This is just a song, you go ballistic on you. Just pull the pistol on the guy with a missile launcher. I'm just a Loch Ness, the mythological, quick to tell the bitch screw off like a fifth of vodka. When you twist the top of the bottle, I'm a monster.
Yes, one. And in this manner, he was to imagine me his love, his mistress, and I set him every day to woo me, at which time would I, being but a moonish youth, grieve, be effeminate, changeable, longing.
언젠 난만 정승 가련 새침한 적 이젠 찢어나 귀찮아 매일 뭐해 어디야 밥은 짜자 baby 자기 여보 보고 싶어 다 부질없어 You got me like 이구 나무감도 없는 love story 어떤 설렘도 어떤 내일도 내가 미안하지만 I'm not sorry 오늘부터 나 Bitch 나는 solo Bitch 나는 solo I'm going solo I'm going solo
You wanna know how I got these scars? My father was a drinker and a fiend. And one night, he goes off crazier than usual. Mommy gets the kitchen knife to defend herself. He doesn't like that. Not one bit. So, me watching, he takes the knife to her, laughing while he does it. He turns to me and he says, "Why so serious?" He comes at me with the knife. "Why so serious?" He sticks the blade in my mouth. Let's put a smile on that face. And why so serious?
À très bientôt et mets-moi un petit commentaire, mets-moi un petit like